Good morning students, standard 12 accountancy. So in this video we are going to discuss chapter 7 stock exchange, unit 3 financial market 2. So topic, we are going to discuss the topic types of speculators. Okay, so types of speculators means there are the different types of speculators in the Indian stock exchange. So according their behavior they compare with on the animals. So they are after animals as their behavior compared with the behavior of animals. Okay, so we see the speculator in a stock market are different types. They carry their names depending on the motive of trading in the stock exchange. So they named after animals as their behavior could be compared with the best with the behavior of animals. Okay, so let's see the classification of speculators. There are the classified like this. First one, bull or Tejiwala speculators. Second one, bear or Mandiwala speculator. Then third one, stag is otherwise called premium hunter. And fourth one, lambda. Okay, so next we are going to see the explanation of bull or Tejiwala. So bull or Tejiwala speculators is an operator who expects a rise in prices of securities in the future. Okay, a bull or Tejiwala is an operator who expects the rise in price of securities in the future. That means for that he purchases the shares at the present price. Okay, so he always expects the price in the future it will be rise. Okay, so next, in anticipation of price rise, he makes the purchases of shares at the present and other securities with the intention to sell at their higher price in the future. So hope he have now itself he purchased the shares of securities. So he is called a bull. So he is called a bull. So because just like a bull tends to throw his victim up in the air. Okay, so the bull speculator stimulates the price to rise. Okay, so he is called a bull. So because he just like a bull, he throw the victim up in the air. So he is an optimistic speculator. He is an optimistic speculator. What is meant by optimistic? Optimistic means hopeful and confident about the future. Okay, optimistic means hopeful and confident about the future. So next we are going to discuss bear or Mandiwala speculator. So the bear or Mandiwala speculator expects the price to fall in future. Okay, he expects the price to fall in the future and sell the securities at present with the view to purchase them at the lower price in the future. So that means the Mandiwala speculators expect the future price will be down and now itself he sells the securities at a lower price. So he called a bear or Mandiwala speculators. Okay, so a bear does not have the securities at present. So a bear does not have the securities at present but sell them at higher prices in anticipation that he will supply them by purchasing at lower price in future. Okay, so he compare with a bear. He compare with a bear. A bear usually presses its victim down to the ground. So similarly, the bear speculator tends to the forces down the price of securities. Okay, so he compare the bear because a bear usually presses the victim down to the ground. So down to the ground. So similarly, the bear speculator tends to force down the price of the securities. Okay, so that's why the bear is the bear is called a Mandiwala speculators. So a bear is a pessimistic speculator. What is meant by pessimistic speculators? That means he always see about the worst will happen. Okay, he always only think about the worst will happen. That's why he called a pessimistic speculator. So next we are going to discuss stag or premium hunter. So stag speculators is called as a premium hunter. Okay, So a stag is a cautious in the stock exchange. Stag is a cautious in the stock exchange. Stock means always alert. Stag means always alert. So stag is a cautious speculator in the stock exchange. Okay. So he applies for shares in the new companies and expects to sell them at a premium. If premium means what? In some order to an ordinary price. Okay, premium means in some order to under ordinary price. Okay, for example, particular share price 10 rupees. So at the premium the price will be rupees 12. Okay, so if he get an allotment, he select those companies whose shares are in the more demand and are likely to carry a premium. So he purchase a new company share. He purchase a new company share and waiting for the allotment for the premium. After that, he will be sell the particular share. Okay, so he sell the shares before being called to pay the allotment money. Okay, so he also called a premium hunter. Okay, stag speculators is called as a premium hunter. Let's see once again. So a stag is a cautious means alert speculator in the Indian stock exchange. Then he applies for the shares in new companies and expect to sell them at a premium if he get an allotment. Then third point, he select those companies whose shares are in more demand. Okay, and are likely to carry a premium. I told you what is meant by premium. You know that. The next one, he sells the shares before being called to pay the allotment money. Then he also called a premium hunter. So next we are going to see lambda. So when a buyer find it difficult to fulfill his commitment, he is said to be struggling like a lambda. So after the mature date, he is going to sell his securities. Okay, so this type of speculator is called a lambda. Okay, so a bear speculator contracts to sell securities at a later date. Okay, later date means a maturity date, after the maturity date. So he is going to sell his securities. Okay, so on the appointment time, he is not able to get the securities as the holders or not willing to part with them. Then fourth point, in such situation he feels concerned. Moreover, buyer is not willing to carry over the transaction. So he is called a lambda speculators. So once again we recall again. So we already see about kinds of speculators. So kinds of speculators. First one, bull or tejiwala speculator. Then second one, bear or mandiwala speculator. And third one, stag or premium hunter. Then fourth one, lambda. So once again, so bull or tejiwala speculators, for that he now itself he purchased the shares at the price. He always expect the price in the future it will be rise. Okay, so hope the tejiwala speculators, he have now itself he purchased the shares of the securities. So he called a bull. So because just like a bull throw the victim up in the air, so he is an optimistic speculator. So bull speculators is an optimistic speculator. So optimistic means hopeful and confident about the future. Okay, so he called a bull or tejiwala speculators. Okay, second point, bear or mandiwala speculators. That means he expect the future price will be down. So now itself he sell his securities at a lower price. So he called a bear or mandiwala speculators. So he compared with the bear because a bear usually presses the victim down to the ground. Okay, so he is a pessimistic speculator. What is meant by pessimistic speculator? That means he always see about the worst will happen. Okay, so next point, stag or premium hunter. Stag is called a premium hunter. Okay, what is meant by stag speculators? Stag means always alert. Stag means always alert. Stag is a cautious speculator in the Indian stock exchange. Okay, so the stag premium hunter. He premium is what is meant by premium? So premium is a some order to in ordinary price. For example, particular share price is 10 rupees. At the premium, the price will be increased to rupees 12. So he purchased a new company share. He purchased a new company share and waiting for the allotment for the premium. After that, he will be sell the particular share. Okay, so that's why he is called a stag speculator or a premium hunter, cautious speculator. Okay, so last one, London. What is in my London? So he is always after the mature date he is going to sell his securities. Okay, so this type of speculators are called the London. Okay, understand students? I hope you all understand this topic, types of speculators.